Why does the earth just float? Why do some flowers bloom and some don't? Why am I having high thoughts when I haven't even smoked? Things I'll never know. How we're good, so good. Yeah, we're good, but not together. Made you smile for a while, not enough to last forever. Nothing is wrong, but it ain't right. We'll never know the reason why we're good, so good. Yeah, we're good, but not together. All right. Good But Not Together by Valley. Amazing song. Really hits your heart. Just amazing lyrics. I love the melody. Super easy to play. I just kind of figured it out by ear, but hopefully this is the way that they play it in the song. It sounds very similar, I think. You put the capo on the 5th fret. So really it would be capo on the 7th fret because I tune my guitar down to open D instead of open E tuning, but for me, open D tuning, capo on the 5th, but you could do it on the 7th, doesn't really matter either way, as long as you can play it in the key and sing in your key. But the song goes like this. So you have a D chord to start, and this is the finger picking style. And then it goes to an A minor 7th. To a G. You can also keep that open, so you just put the 2 fingers on the top here with it open like that. So it just goes. Okay. Why does the earth just float? Okay. And then, that's the verse. That's how the verse goes. And the chorus goes G to an A, so it's G to an A. Let's practice that. Just a regular G chord. You can do a 7th if you want. Or an A minor 7th. No, just A. Sorry. Just G to an A. And then a D to a D with a C sharp in the bass. So it's to a B minor, so it goes, we're good, so good. Yeah, we're D to a C sharp, D to a B minor. Yeah, we're G to an A. Yeah, we're a D to a C sharp, D to a B minor. Okay? Kind of the picking style is you can kind of pick that low E string. Keep picking that root note to a D. It's kind of a tough one, but you'll get it. Just keep practicing. Okay, so it's, yeah, we're good, so good. Yeah, we're good, but not together. Made you smile for a while, not enough to last forever. And then it goes G, A minor, A, D to C sharp, D to B minor. We're G, G, A. Yeah, we're G to a G minor. So it's like, at the end there, you kind of like have a G, A, and then you kind of end off on a G minor to finish out the chorus. And that's the whole song. I mean, the whole song does that. And then when you come to the bridge, It's just D to an A minor, like kind of like the verse. I'm a good kid from a good town. You're a good girl, too many good things to count. I'm a good kid from a good town. You're a good girl. I'm a good kid from a good town. You're a good girl, too many good things to count. I'm a good kid from a good town. You're a good girl. So it's the same as the verse, right? D. But it's not. There's not much of a picking style there, unless you want it to. Unless you want to have a good picking style, like. So that's basically the whole song. You got really just two different chord progressions there. You got the D to the A minor to the G, and then you got the G to an A to a D to a C sharp D to a B minor. And then you have the finish off on the G to an A and then a G minor. If you have any questions, reach out in the comments below. Again, it's a beautiful song. I'm really happy to share the chords with you guys and any other tutorials that you may request. Have a great one. Thanks.